Bitcoin dumped. Is there more pain to come? Bitcoin dumped to 63k and is currently around 64k. Is there more pain to come? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, Smith & Wesson Brands Incorporated, HERTZ Global Holdings Incorporated, DOGWIFHAT USDT, ZKSYNC USDT, and Ethereum. If you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button? It will help me a lot. And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. Overall, it's been a red week. The altcoins went down a lot, almost all of them. So the big numbers are DOGWIFHAT minus 30.5, Notcoin minus 25.3, TIA minus 16.5, VeChain minus 9.8, NEO minus 10.2, Uniswap minus 12.7, and some green numbers: LDO 12% up, Pendle 13.5, Fetch AI 4.4, Tron went up 4.5, and I will change to the daily. Today's sentiment is green. Jasmy went up 11.4, Toncoin went up 5.8, AVE 2.7, Rune 1.8, Cardano went up 3.7, Bread went up 5.2, and the red numbers: AGX minus 3.4, was this Layer 0 minus 4.2, Fetch AI minus 2.7, and from here I will go to CoinMarketCap. Currently we have a market cap of 2.35 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 31 billion. It's getting less, and current fear and greed index is 51, which indicates neutral. The top 10 coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Ripple, Toncoin, Dogecoin, and Cardano. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Also mixed sentiment, some green ones and some red ones. Microsoft went up 1.86, Nvidia went down 2.35, Apple went down minus 3.15, Google went up 1.99, Amazon went up 2.86, Coinbase went down 8.79, and from here I will go to Bitcoin. About 13 hours to close today's candle. This is the weekly chart, another red candle. So Bitcoin dumped this week and almost at the bottom of the whole weekly range here. And from the weekly I will change to the daily. You can see it, we went down, went down, went down, went down, trying to find support somewhere. And I will show last week's scenarios. So for those who are in the short, congratulations. From 2 weeks ago, you're already in profit, more than 8%. So that's nice. And for now, what can we expect? This one is still valid. So a test of 70,800, pullback 66,900. I want to see a daily gain of the 66,900, and I prefer to see a test higher. And else, this one also still valid. The test of 77,000 with the pullback and the entry at 70,700. And if Bitcoin drops further, then the next test is still open here. The test of 61,350. And if it falls through support over there, the test of 55,790. And the most defensive is also still possible, 52,100. So all scenarios remains the same. And from here I will go to Smith & Wesson Brands Incorporated. I will start at the monthly. We see a nice low, high, monthly gain of the last drop off, which caused the low over here, and now it's at support. So interesting. I'll add some levels. And from the monthly, I will change to the weekly. So, okay. I will add some scenarios. Price is currently at $14.29. What can we expect? The test between 13 and 13.74 and trying to create another higher high. So aiming for $20.45 or higher. The first target point about 24% profit. Second target point 49. So this is a very nice trade and a potentially 70% profits. If it fell through support of $13, then I will wait for the next test and then I'll be very defensive around $8.72, trying to go up from there. And if the price go up from where it is now, create another higher high, pullback with the entry around $17, aiming to break the 23.54. So 3 possible scenarios for Smith & Wesson brands, and from here I will go to HERTZ Global Holdings, starting at the monthly. I will add some levels. Price already tested the $3.16, which was the monthly low of 2009. Start of the impulse was here, 2021, 95 cents. Went up all the way to here. Monthly rejection of the previous high, the high of 2016 got rejected. And this is the monthly drop off of 17.29, which caused the low over here. Okay, from the monthly I will change to the weekly. Okay. So either the price will go up from here and let's say a test somewhere between $8.82 and $10.61. Then you can still enter around $5.53, aiming for $15. And if it doesn't hold support, then the next entry will be around 95 cents. But this is the last line of defense. I prefer to see this one reversal. If the price fall through support of 95 cents, then we will see new all-time lows. And imagine if the price go up from here and let's say test of $20, then the pullback with the entry around $11, aiming for 25 and higher. But this one is very nice. The entry around $5.59. First target point already 86% profits, and then second target point 177. So very interesting. And from Hertz, I will go to DOGWIFHAT, starting at the weekly, as there is not a lot of price action. But let's see what I can find. Price drop about 33% this week. Okay, I'll add some levels. Multiple rejections here of the previous all-time high. Okay, from the weekly I will change to the daily. The $1.92 was already tested here in April. Now trying to find support somewhere. I'll change to the 4-hour. And I will go back in the past, see what I can find. Okay. I will make a plan for the coming days for DOGWIFHAT. Either the entry here at $1.47, but this one is still high risk. I want to see a confirmation at the lower time frame before this one will be activated. And else the entry at 82 cents. Trying to go up from there. And if it doesn't hold support at 82 cents, be very defensive and just go to 21 cents. Trying to go up from there. And if we see a reversal, then I would like to see a gain of the drop off of $2.62. Maybe a test of $3.20. And then the pullback with the entry at $2.23, aiming to break the $3.41. So 4 possible scenarios for DOGWIFHAT, and from here I will go to ZKSYNC. Starting at the daily, there's not a lot of price information, but let's see what we can do. And from the daily, I'll change to the 4 hours. Rejection of the drop off of here 18 cents. No gain so far. trying to create a higher low. Tested already here. I will change to the 15 minutes. Okay, I will go back to the daily and 4 hour. And I will make a plan for the coming days. This one is high risk. The entry at 17 cents, 17.56. And then we would like to see another higher high and a gain of 18 cents. But take some profits. First target point, that's not much. That's only 3.65. High risk. Be aware, if it doesn't hold support at 17 cents, then we will see new all-time lows. I'll be more interested in something like this. Here, let's say a test around 20 cents, pullback, entry at 18 cents, aiming for 21 cents. And that would be, yeah, that's a little bit more interesting, but not so good as well. Only 12%. So these are the scenarios for ZKSYNC, and from here I will go to Ethereum, starting at the weekly. Also red candle this week, just less than 13 hours to close today's candle. Yeah, from the weekly I will change to the daily, and I will show last week's scenarios. So it's at the bottom of the range here. Of 3,480. If you are in the short of 2 weeks ago, then you're already in profit about 11%. So this one is still active. The entry at 3,271. If it fall through support over there, then the start of the impulse. The entry of 3,058. And if we see a reversal, higher high, a test of the 3,880 or 3,950, a pullback with the entry around 3,647. And else this one also still possible. Gain of the whole range, and let's say a test of 4,474 with the pullback and the entry at 3,886, aiming for 4,630 or higher. So all still in play, and for now, thank you guys for watching today's episode. Enjoy your Sunday and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.